In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform to create online forms and fillable PDFs. Creating forms online can save you quite a bit of time and help streamline your processes, whether you're handling event registrations, surveys, or any kind of data collection. Jotform is a powerful tool that's both easy to use and incredibly versatile. So let's dive in and get you started. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com. If you're new to Jotform or returning, you'll find the sign-in page welcoming you with a few convenient options. You can either sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or opt for the traditional email address and password method. This flexibility makes it easy for just about anyone to jump in and get started with minimal fuss. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a menu option labeled Products. Go ahead and select that. This opens up a variety of tools that Jotform offers, but today we're focusing on the PDF editor. So when you see PDF editor, you'll want to click on that to proceed. After selecting the PDF editor, you'll notice an option to explore fillable PDF forms. Click on it, and this will bring you to the core of what we're doing today, creating a fillable form. Click on Create a Fillable Form to get started. This is where you can really let your creativity shine, or just keep it simple, depending on your needs. You'll then be prompted to choose how you want to begin. For a completely tailored form, select Start from Scratch. This option is perfect if you have specific fields or designs in mind that aren't covered by Jotform's templates. Now, it's time to dive into the design process using the PDF Form Builder. This tool is incredibly user-friendly. You can drag and drop fields right into your form, adjust colors and fonts, even upload tables if your form requires them. Take your time to play around with the customization options. Make the form look exactly how you want it. This step is all about ensuring the form aligns with your brand or personal style. After you've crafted your form, head over to the settings. Here, you can configure autoresponder or notification emails. This means that once someone submits a form, they can receive a confirmation email automatically. You can also tweak the form's title or status, ensuring everything aligns with your project requirements. Once you have everything just the way you want it, it's time to share your masterpiece. Click on Publish and you'll have several options. You can download your form, share it via a link, or even embed it directly into your website. This flexibility ensures that you can reach your audience in the way that works best for you. And that's it, you're now ready to create amazing online forms and fillable PDFs using Jotform. Whether you're managing a team or organizing an event, this skill is sure to come in handy. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.